and welcome back to Aniyaan's Kitchen.
Today we will be baking eggless brownies. To make the eggless brownies, we will need 1.5 cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of sugar.
We will also be needing half a cup of butter, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of yogurt, half a cup of chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's get baking.
First, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Now it's time to cream the butter, sugar, and oil. Let's put these ingredients into the mixer. So first I'm going to put in the sugar. Next I'm going to put in the butter. And now to put in the oil. We're going to put this in the mixer and start it on a low speed.
So, while my brother is mixing, we can start making the dry mix. So, we're going to take our cocoa powder and we're going to put it into a sifter and a large bowl, just like that. And then we're going to take our flour and do the same thing. And finally, we're gonna take our salt and we're just gonna toss it in. Now, we are going to start sifting our dry mixture and make sure to sift it all the way.
Now that the mixture has all creamed up, let's add the yogurt and the vanilla essence. Let's put it back on low speed and keep mixing.
Now our wet ingredients are ready, so let's start putting in our dry ingredients. So, we're going to put in the dry ingredients 1 scoop at a time. And we're going to start mixing it for slow, so it'll mix. And then you can put in another scoop and then mix it again until the whole dry ingredients is over. Now that our whole batter is ready, all we have to do now is add in the chocolate chips. So, just put them in. And now we just have to mix it for a few seconds on low speed.
As you can see, the batter is now ready. It's time to bake. We're going to take the batter and put it into an 8x8 baking tray. Remember to coat the pan with oil before you put it in, otherwise it will stick, the brownies.
Now our brownies are ready to bake. We have the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So,
now I'm putting the brownies in the oven. And let's set the timer for 30 minutes. We checked on the brownies after 30 minutes and saw that the center was soft, so we put it back in for another 5 minutes.
Let's check if they're ready.
Looks like they're ready. We'll keep it on the counter for 15 minutes to make sure that they're cool.
Our brownies have finished cooling and they're ready to eat. We have cut them into small pieces.
You can serve them warm or with ice cream. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you for watching!